What is hidden beyond space? The question of what lies beyond space is one of the most profound and enigmatic inquiries humanity can pose. It stretches the limits of our imagination, challenging our understanding of reality, infinity, and existence itself. As we peer into the cosmos, we see stars, galaxies, and the vast expanse of the universe. But what lies beyond the boundaries of space, if such boundaries even exist? As both a philosopher and a scientist, I invite you to embark on a journey through the empirical and the metaphysical, weaving together facts, theories, and speculative wonder to keep the mystery alive until the final word. What is hidden beyond space? Let's explore the unknown together. The philosophical abyss, defining beyond space. Philosophically, the concept of beyond space is a paradox. Space, as we understand it, is the framework within which all things exist. Planets, stars, and even our thoughts seem to occupy some spatial context. To ask what lies beyond space is to question the very scaffolding of reality. Immanuel Kant argued that space is not an objective reality, but a form of human intuition, a lens through which we perceive the world. If space is a mental construct, then beyond space might be a realm beyond perception, a domain where our categories of thought, location, distance, dimension break down. Yet, philosophers like Leibniz envision space as relational, existing only as the arrangement of objects. If there are no objects, is there no space? This raises a haunting question. Could beyond space be a state of pure nothingness, or something so alien that it defies comprehension? The philosopher Martin Heidegger spoke of being as distinct from beings, hinting that beyond the spatial universe might lie a fundamental essence, an ungraspable source of existence. The philosophical intrigue lies in whether beyond space is a place, a state, or an idea we can never fully grasp. The scientific lens, the boundaries of the cosmos. Scientifically, the question of what lies beyond space is tied to our understanding of the universe's structure. The observable universe, roughly 93 billion light-years in diameter, is all we can see, limited by the speed of light and the universe's age of 13.8 billion years. But does space end at some cosmic edge, or does it extend infinitely? Cosmologists propose several possibilities, each more intriguing than the last. One model is the finite but unbounded universe. Imagine the universe as the surface of a sphere. It has no edge, yet it is finite. If you travel in any direction, you eventually loop back, like a spaceship circumnavigating a cosmic globe. In this model, there is no beyond, because space curves back on itself. But this raises a question: what lies outside the sphere? Is it a higher dimensional space, or something we cannot conceive? Another possibility is an infinite universe, where space stretches forever, filled with galaxies, stars, or perhaps stranger entities. If space is infinite, beyond becomes meaningless. There's just more space. Yet, infinity itself is a concept that strains both science and philosophy. As the mathematician David Hilbert quipped, the infinite is nowhere to be found in reality. Could an infinite universe hide realms so distant they're effectively beyond our reality? A third option is the multiverse, a collection of universes with different physical laws. Our universe might be one bubble in a cosmic foam, each bubble a separate space-time. Beyond our space could be other universes, inaccessible due to their separation by a higher dimensional bulk. This idea, rooted in string theory, suggests that beyond space is not empty, but teeming with parallel realities. Picture a cosmic tapestry, each thread a universe, ours just one among countless others. The Big Bang and the edge of space. The Big Bang, the event that birthed our universe, offers clues but also deepens the mystery. At the Big Bang, space itself emerged, expanding from an infinitely dense point. But what was before or outside this point? The standard model of cosmology avoids the question, asserting that space and time began at the Big Bang, rendering beyond meaningless. Yet, this feels like a locked door. Some physicists, like Alan Guth, propose that our universe arose from a quantum fluctuation in a pre-existing false vacuum, a state of potential energy. Could this vacuum be what lies beyond space, a formless sea of possibility? Another speculative model is the ekpyrotic universe, which suggests our universe emerged from the collision of higher-dimensional membranes, in a bulk space. Beyond our space might be this bulk, a realm where brains float like cosmic sheets, occasionally colliding to birth new universes. This idea, while untestable, fuels intrigue. What strange realities inhabit this higher-dimensional beyond? Quantum mysteries and the nature of space. Quantum mechanics adds another layer of complexity. At the smallest scales, space is not smooth but frothy, a quantum foam of fluctuating geometries. Loop quantum gravity suggests that space is made of discrete units, like pixels in a cosmic image. If space is quantized, what lies between these units? Some physicists speculate that beyond the fabric of space lies a realm of pure quantum information, where the distinctions of space and time dissolve. This echoes the philosophical idea of a non-spatial reality, blending science and metaphysics. Consider the phenomenon of quantum entanglement, where particles separated by vast distances remain instantly connected. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance, but it suggests that space might not be the ultimate arbiter of reality. Could entanglement hint at a deeper layer beyond space, where connections transcend physical boundaries? This possibility keeps the mystery alive, suggesting that beyond space might be a domain of pure relation, unbound by distance. Philosophical reflections, the void or something more. Philosophically, the idea of beyond space often conjures the concept of nothingness. But what is nothing? Absolute nothingness, no space, no time, no laws, is almost impossible to imagine. The philosopher Jean-Paul Sartre described nothingness as a dynamic absence, a void that shapes existence. Could beyond space be such a void, a non-place that defines our universe by its absence? Or is it something richer, a realm of potential, a cosmic womb from which space itself emerges? A thought experiment. Imagine standing at the edge of space, if such an edge exists. What do you see? A barrier? An infinite void? Or perhaps a shimmering veil, hinting at realities beyond? Ancient myths offer analogies. In Norse cosmology, the universe emerges from Ginnungagap, a primordial void between fire and ice. This resonates with modern ideas of a pre-spatial quantum vacuum, blending ancient intuition with cutting-edge science. Intriguing examples, cultural and scientific analogs. Cultural narratives reflect our fascination with what lies beyond. In Hindu cosmology, the universe cycles through creation and destruction, emerging from Brahman, a transcendent reality beyond space and time. Is Brahman the beyond of space, a formless, infinite essence? Similarly, science fiction like Interstellar imagines wormholes leading to other dimensions, echoing scientific ideas of higher dimensional spaces. Scientifically, black holes offer a glimpse into the beyond. Near a black hole's event horizon, space and time warp dramatically. Some theories suggest that black holes could connect to other universes or dimensions via wormholes. Could a black hole be a gateway to what lies beyond space? While speculative, this idea captivates the imagination, suggesting that the universe might contain portals to the unknown. The enduring enigma: can we know the beyond? As we approach the end, the question remains tantalizingly open. Science offers models: finite universes, infinite spaces, multiverses, quantum foams, but none definitively answer what lies beyond. Philosophy deepens the mystery, questioning whether beyond space is a meaningful concept or a projection of our desire to transcend limits. The universe's expansion, accelerating due to dark energy, suggests that much of it will eventually recede beyond our observational reach, making the beyond forever elusive. Picture a final analogy: space as an ocean, our universe a vast but finite sea. Beyond its shores, is there another ocean, a desert, or something unimaginable? The multiverse suggests countless seas, the block universe, a frozen map, the quantum void, a formless mist. Each possibility is a thread in a tapestry of wonder, pulling us toward the unknown. The question of what is hidden beyond space is a mirror reflecting our deepest curiosities. It challenges us to imagine the unimaginable, to probe the boundaries of reality. As we gaze into the cosmos, with telescopes and minds alight, we are left to ponder, is the beyond a void, a multiverse, or a realm where space itself dissolves? The mystery endures, inviting us to dream, to question, and to keep searching for what lies just out of reach.